Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Tourville is a municipality located in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of Quebec within Liste Regional County Municipality. The community is situated inland from the St. Lawrence River and is surrounded by forests, farmland, and rolling hills that are characteristic of this part of eastern Quebec. Today, Tourville has a population of around 600 residents, giving it the atmosphere of a quiet rural community where agriculture and local traditions continue to play an important role. The municipality was officially established in the late 19th century during a period of expansion into the interior regions of Quebec. Many communities in this area were founded as farming settlements as families moved away from the crowded riverfront seigneuries in search of new land. Colonization, roads, and railway development helped support settlement deeper into the countryside, allowing villages like Tourville to grow. Tourville was named in honor of Anne Hector de Tourville, a French naval commander from the 17th century. Like many place names in Quebec, the municipality reflects the province's strong French heritage and historical ties to France. Early settlers in the region were primarily French-Canadian families who built farms, churches, schools, and small businesses that shaped the foundation of the community. Agriculture quickly became the backbone of the local economy. Dairy farming, livestock production, and crop farming supported generations of residents and helped establish a stable rural economy. Even today, the countryside around Tourville contains active farms and open agricultural land that continue to define the landscape. Forestry also played an important role, with nearby forests providing lumber, firewood, and employment opportunities for local families. The arrival of rail transportation helped connect communities in this region to larger markets and cities across Quebec. Rail lines made it easier to transport agricultural goods, timber, and supplies, while also improving travel for residents. Small municipalities like Tourville benefited from these transportation links during a time when rural communities depended heavily on outside trade and communication. The natural environment surrounding Tourville is one of its most defining features. Dense forests, open farmland, rivers, and seasonal landscapes create scenery that changes dramatically throughout the year. Summers bring green countryside and active farmland, while autumn is known for bright fall colors across the hills and forests. Winters are long and snowy, supporting outdoor activities such as snowmobiling and cross-country skiing. French remains the primary language spoken in Tourville, and the municipality reflects the traditions of rural French-Canadian culture. Community events, seasonal festivals, and local gatherings continue to help preserve Quebecois customs and identity. Today, Tourville remains a quiet and scenic municipality that reflects the history of settlement and agriculture in eastern Quebec. Its farmland, forests, and strong local traditions continue to define the community and preserve an important part of Quebec's cultural and historical landscape. Thanks for watching!